Hey guys, my name's Will, and this is just a really quick video on my Rheem Imperial 80 plus gas furnace. I have lots of videos on this. Just an old, wow, furnace. Here, it takes up a ton of gas, and it's $500 to $600 a month to run this thing. Very, very inefficient. But it works. And it keeps the house relatively comfortable. With flames, or 5, I believe. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yep. Not including the little pilot light there. The pilot light is basically just a spark and a little bit of gas that makes that little flame. And when the gas flows it, when the gas valve clicks and allows gas to flow over that pilot, it's all the other ones. This is a pressure vacuum switch. Space guard, the draft inducer has been replaced once. And space guard high efficiency air cleaner, the model is 1100. And yeah. The blower turned on about a minute before I started the video. General power humidifier, set to high, set to about 35, 40. Here's how the humidifier works. Inside the humidifier there's a pad. We can't really get back here anymore. Things are piled over it. But this valve needs humidity. There's a sensor in there. This motor will open a valve that allows water to go onto that pad. Sorry. Over here. And then hot air, 120-degree air, blows over that wet pad, making humidity, and then that humid air goes in there, heated, and up to the house. And this is a crazy duct thing. Guitar fell down. And here's a maintenance checklist, blah blah blah. Alright. And then the water that doesn't turn into humidity stays in the water form, goes down here. It goes around the back of the furnace, so you can see the pipe right there. And comes in right here where there's a T. And then here's the air conditioner coil. That air conditioner coil gets so cold that it drips water. So that water comes right down to this condensate pump. And the condensate pump pumps all that out through this tube into the wash tub. And there's all the wires for that furnace, the air conditioner. Here the mechanical is the people that service this thing. And the ductwork was installed in 1986, and the furnace was installed and manufactured in 1988. Okay, that just about rounds up my video here. Okay, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Out.